Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm going to be making one of my family's favorite dessert recipes, which is a pound cake. It's good on its own with tea or coffee, or it can be a base for other desserts. For this recipe, we're going to need the following ingredients. We have a cup of sugar, 1 cup of margarine or butter. I prefer to use basil because I think it makes the cake really nice and soft. 2 cups of white flour, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's get started. To the mixer, add the margarine and sugar and mix on a medium-high setting until light and creamy. Halfway through the mixing, lift the beater and scrape the sides. Mix for a few more minutes until creamy and fluffy. Now add the eggs, one at a time, mixing between additions. Add the vanilla once the eggs are well combined. Add the baking powder and salt to the flour and mix well. Now add half the flour mix to the mixer until the flour is well incorporated. Add the milk. Finally, add the remaining flour and mix until well combined. Scrape the sides to get everything well mixed and continue mixing for an additional 2 minutes. While the batter is mixing, prepare the pan by spraying all sides with the cooking spray. Now add the batter to the pan and bake in a 325 degrees preheated oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, remove from the oven and check for doneness. A toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean when the cake is ready. Let the cake cool before removing from the pan. When the cake has cooled down, slice the cake and serve. And there you have it, our family favorite pound cake recipe. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.